Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to my Excel today. Today we are going to look at a question posed by one of our followers, and the question is: my data is filtered and when I filtered the empty cells, copy and paste, I don't get it right. Kindly assist. So what our follower is referring to is that he has a data and there are empty cells in there, and normally what happens is that when he copies and pastes, when he filters the empty cells, he doesn't get it right. So to do that, let's identify the empty cells. So we give it a different shade. So we give it a yellow shade. Then quickly we go to our sort and filter. We check it. So now we have the filters on the headers. Now we filter the empty cells. So we uncheck all and check the blank cells. So we have our empty cells in here. Then we copy the dates here. Ctrl C to copy. Then Ctrl V to paste our date to D2. Automatically you can see that we have it only in cell D3. What's happening? Let's go and check. So you can see that what we copied was really pasted at cell D3 to D6, where it override the initial data there. So we still have the empty cells not filled in there. We have 1 and 2 and 3 down there. What is happening? We use Ctrl Z to go back. So what do we want? We want to fill this empty cell with the same data here. So simply we'll select the range, use our equal sign, select the source of the data. So the source here is A3, and use Ctrl Enter. And automatically you can see that all our empty cells which was filtered is really done. Let's see what really happened. So we clear. So you can see that truly where we had our empty cells, we now have the data filled in there. You can still go back. There's also another way of doing it. Simply we can have our data in here. We can go to special, then we'll go to blank cells. So we'll go to only blank cells. So blank cells will be selected within this range. Then quickly we go to the formula bar, we put an equal sign, we select the source of the data, so that's A3, and just use the Ctrl Enter, and voila, you can see that automatically it's populated for the corresponding dates. This is how easy and fast you can do this when you are facing such a challenge. Thank you very much for following us, and continue to follow us on YouTube. So have a wonderful day. Bye.